Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to use Lucky Patcher to hack Candy Crush Saga. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch the quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and download the official Candy Crush Saga application to your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after downloading it guys, you can go ahead and open it up and log in and play a bit before you start testing it out. As you can see, after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can see your levels in the map, you can see all the events, the shop, and so on. So guys, the next thing we have to do is to go ahead and download Lucky Patcher, and we will do that guys by going to Google, and we are going to go ahead and search for Lucky Patcher. So guys, go ahead and search for Lucky Patcher, and you want to go ahead and download it from this first website right here, and you want to go ahead and open it up guys. So guys, go ahead and open up the website, and after opening it up, go ahead and log into your account. So after logging into your account guys and downloading the application, go ahead and you will see it on your phone, and after opening it up guys, you can see it will look like something like this. So guys, here is the Lucky Patcher application, and now you can see all the games that you have. As you can see, let's say you have Heyday or some other game, you're going to go ahead and find Candy Crush, and guys, go ahead and click Candy Crush, and it's going to give you this new menu of options where you want to go ahead and select menu of patches. So guys, go ahead and click on menu of patches, and after clicking on menu of patches, you can go ahead and select which patches you want to apply to your game. So guys, go ahead and click on menu of patches and select what you want, maybe unlimited money or something similar. And after that guys, it's going to go ahead and patch the application and install it again to your mobile phone. So just go ahead and open up the game again after that, and then you'll have unlimited money. But yeah guys, basically that is it how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.